In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a new employee to Gusto. Once you are logged into your Gusto account, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you will find the main navigation for your company settings and payroll tools. Click on People, and then choose Hire and Onboarding. This section is designed specifically for bringing new team members into your payroll system and guiding them through onboarding. On the Hire and Onboarding page, click Hire a New Person. This starts the setup flow where you will enter the essential details Gusto needs in order to create the employee profile correctly. Next, you will choose the type of worker you are adding. Select Employee if this person will be on your regular payroll, or select Contractor if they will be paid as an independent contractor. Make sure you pick the correct option since it affects taxes and the forms that are collected. After you make your selection, click Next to continue. Now enter the person's legal name. Use their full legal name as it appears on official documents, since this helps prevent issues later with tax forms and payroll records. Then enter their email address. This is the address Gusto will use to send onboarding instructions, so double-check that it is accurate before moving on. After that, enter the start date. This date matters for payroll timing, access, and reporting, so use the agreed-upon first day of work. Continue by selecting the employee's department. This helps keep your team organized, especially for reporting and tracking labor costs. Then choose the correct work location. This is important for tax requirements and workplace settings, so be sure the location matches where the employee will be working. Next, set the pay rate. Choose whether this employee is salary or hourly, and enter the correct amount. Take your time here and confirm it matches the offer letter or hiring agreement. Then select the pay schedule, which determines how often the employee will be paid, such as weekly or every other week based on your company's payroll plan. Finally, click Save and Continue. This will create the new hire entry and send an onboarding email to the employee so they can securely provide the remaining information Gusto needs. That covers everything you need to know.